guys. So today I'm super excited. I just got my Tula package in for some things that I reordered, and I want to show you guys what I got. So we'll be doing a Tula unboxing, as well as I'll just go through my facial routine with you guys. And so I'm super excited. And also just want to take a moment. I am wearing an Elite Faction shirt, which you can see the emblem. It's in black. I got this in a size large. I would probably order it. These are men's sizing. It's not too tight, but it's like just right. And sometimes I like to wear my t-shirts bigger, so I'd probably order this in an extra large instead of a large. But my friend, his name is Joey, but he goes by Jose. He has a company, a clothing company, and so they have t-shirts. I have a t-shirt for myself as well as my husband, and I bought a jacket, which if you guys tune into my videos on Instagram, you will be seeing it pretty soon. But yeah, so today I'm wearing my black t-shirt that I got. Again, it's a size large, and I will link his website below. But yeah, so let's just get started. So first things first, I want to show you guys the products that I use. So the first thing that I normally use is this Tula, and this is the probiotics and superfoods. They have different lines, but the one I use is always in this lighter shade blue. And like I said, this is perfect for day and night. And it is also for cleaning up makeup, so it cleans up makeup gently, and it just works really good for me. Like I said, I always get compliments on my skin, but since I've been pregnant, you know, my skin has changed. Also with age, your skin can change, and so I used to just use like Clean and Clear or whatever, and really didn't too much have problems, but I had to switch it up. Okay, so I love these products. It makes me feel great in the morning after wrangling the babies, and at night before I go to sleep. I love it, so I'm sharing with you guys. So yeah, the first thing is this cleanser, and it is super popular. I initially got a discovery kit, and let me just start washing my face or we'll be here all day. But I initially got a discovery kit, which includes a bunch of other products, and I'm going to show you, because you always just want to try something out. You don't want to go out and buy big bottles of things and you haven't tried it out first. So I had got a discovery kit which highlights some of their most popular products, and yeah, so it really doesn't take a lot. I just probably had like a dime size of soap of the cleanser, and you just work it in. Normally I would do the cleanser stage while I'm in the shower, and then the rest when I get out. But yeah, so, and I didn't have anything on my face because I just got out of the shower. So, but yeah, this is great for morning and night. So if you have a face full of makeup, then you can definitely use this to clear it off. Okay, so let's rinse. So yeah, so then once you dry your face, the next thing that I use is the toner. Like I said, I got a discovery kit. So part of the discovery kit, I had got a small cleanser, and then I got this 1 ounce of toner, and this is pro glycolic 10% resurfacing toner, and this is alcohol free, and this is to exfoliate the skin gently. So I think there is just a little bit left in here, but I got in my package, which I have not opened yet. I want to show you guys my address, my Tula box. So I'm gonna open that now. Right now. Guys, don't hurt yourself trying to open a box. It's not worth it. Sometimes I just get so excited, guys. But yeah, so since I really like this line, then I went ahead and started purchasing bigger sizes of the items. So I have a bigger one, and the first thing that I ran out of was the cleanser. The discovery kit probably lasted me about 2 months for day and night, and that was like $52, but they always have different sales. So we got some nice little packaging paper here, and then wow, they really wrapped this up well. So then they literally wrapped it again. So definitely they take care of you. Sorry guys, a lot of paper. So, and my husband's gonna love this because I'm in his bathroom, so I'm just paper. It's like an early Christmas, guys. And so I got a few things. I have the illuminating serum, which I'll tell you about. That's the next step. And then I got this for free. This is, when I bought these two things, sometimes they include gifts. And so I got this So Polish Exfoliating Sugar Scrub, which is, let's get smoother, brighter, and more even looking skin with this gentle yet effective sugar scrub. And so it just takes a dime size amount. And it says use 2 to 4 times per week for optimal results. So not an everyday thing, but super cool, and I'm excited to try this out. So like I was saying, I got a bigger size of the toner. So this is 3 ounces versus this one. So let me actually unbox it. But y'all, I just love the color. I love the packaging. This is cruelty free, so look at this. So you can always get the discovery kit and get the smaller sizes of things, but this, we done graduated. This is so super cute, and this is cruelty free. So what I normally use the toner with is just some cotton rounds, so I had some. So where are you working? I'm just gonna put a small amount. So I just put a very small amount, probably about a dime size. Y'all, I'll be getting excited when I have bottles like this. Sometimes I'll be wasting, but I don't want to waste. So, and I just gently rub it all over my face. I'm not going like and scrubbing my face. I'm just gently rubbing it over my face. And it doesn't burn or anything. It's just amazing. And it smells so good, guys. I wish you guys could smell this, but it's like such a light formula. So it has a light fragrance. I know sometimes people have sensitive skin, but guys, this fragrance is so light. I really need to use the rest of it. But yeah, so guys, so this is the little smiley one that I had. Okay, so we've done the cleanser, we've done the toner. So then the next thing that we have, y'all, I got like so much Tula going on in here. So the next thing that we're gonna do is the illuminating serum, and I also got a bigger version of that. I'm not quite at the end of this, but this is a small one that I got from the discovery kit, and this is Hello Radiance Illuminating Serum. And it says this lightweight serum expertly targets dark spots and dull skin, revealing a youthful glow and brightened complexion. So once I let that toner dry, set in, so then I just take a little small amount and put it on my finger. Probably about a dime amount. Sometimes I get excited, but not too much. It doesn't take a lot. And just take it, put it on my hand, and just rub it over my face. Y'all, when I tell you, it's like, you know, the small things, the self-care that you're just like, oh my God, I feel like $1,000,000. Especially being a mom, I feel like, I mean, when they were really small babies, I just felt like a napkin. They were always spitting up on me and stuff. But now, even still, like just getting time to myself, doing something for myself, this is something I do morning and night to feel better. And working from home, something so simple as washing your face, brushing your teeth, and putting on something cute goes a long way. So yeah, so we have the illuminating serum, and I got a big one of that. So y'all, I just re-upped. Like, this is gonna last me so long. Probably won't need to order any for a while, but they do have it where you can have a discount if you set it on auto refill. So it's like a set amount of time for each product that they think that you'll need a refill. So you can set it for auto refill and you get a discount for doing that. I'm not super duper balling, but that's something you can take advantage of. So this is the bigger one. So the smaller one in the discovery kit is 1/2 ounce. And this one is 1.7 ounces. And so super cute. Has that same cute, simple dispenser. And y'all, this light blue color is everything. I love it. Okay, so after I use the serum, the illuminating serum, Then the last step that I do is the 24/7 hydrating moisturizer. Now this little cutie one is what I got with the Discovery kit, and I believe it's a 1/2 ounce. Let me see. And this is day and night cream. This one does not say. I'm pretty sure it's like a 1/2 ounce, but I have used this sucker all up, all gone. I've used this all up, so it was time to get one of the big boys. So I got this big one, and this one, does it even say? Oh, okay, it says it on the back. So this is an 1.5 ounces, and this was a 1/2 ounce. So yes, on the back. And so this is day and night as well. It's light, whipped texture, delivers deep hydration to revive the appearance of dull skin. And yes, you can use this AM and PM, and you can use this on clean skin or after you do the illuminating serum. So sometimes if I'm in a rush, I might not do the illuminating serum just because like a girl gotta go. But yeah, this is day and night. So, and this is the 24/7 moisture hydrating day and night cream. So I kind of went a little heavy handed with this, but I really didn't need that much. I mean, all in all, it's probably about a little bit bigger than a dime size. But you just moisturize your skin, and this is like what I use, kind of like a primer. So it's just so moisturizing. It smells delicious. So after this is when I would start normally applying any kind of makeup. Yeah, so then that is all part of what I got in the Discovery kit. And also the Discovery kit came with this super cute pouch, so I might end up using this for something else. But if you were traveling, and that's so cute, it says Tula on the inside. If you're traveling, then you can always put all your travel sizes in here and you are good to go. But I feel like I'll use this as like a little purse or something. But that's super cute, and I love the little chunky zipper. It is everything. So one more thing outside of the Discovery kit that I bought was this Glow and Get It, and this is cooling and brightening eye balm. Sorry, there you go, now you can see it. And this is part of the probiotics and superfoods line. So you know it's different lines because they have the light blue, then there's like an orange color as well, which I haven't tried the other ones, but this is like eye balm. So this you can put on before you put on makeup, just around your eye area, just to brighten it up. Or if you're having a day, like a lot of times I don't wear makeup, this just helps to brighten up your eyes. So, and it's just like a little kind of like a chapstick dispenser or any kind of dispenser. So it's a balm. It's super lightweight. I mean, like, look, you can't even see it on my finger, but it's super lightweight and it's cooling. Like when I tell you, you feel just like rejuvenated. Probably is how people feel when they put those like cold roller things in their eye. But so it's just kind of like it just helps to brighten up that eye area. Y'all, it is time to get my eyebrows done, so just don't even pay no attention. But so I just love this. So I just take it a few times around my eyes and it just brightens it up. Like, so you see this one, and it's just brightening it all around. And this also, you know, if your eye makeup is getting a little dull, then you can also use this over your makeup as well. Easy. That is my easy and simple skincare routine that I do morning and night, and it just leaves my face so refreshingly glowing. Like, y'all, a girl is glowing. And guys, don't forget to go pick you up a t-shirt from Elite Faction. Y'all, they have t-shirts, they have hoodies, jackets, and it came so quickly. Like when I tell you I ordered it on a Sunday and it was there by like Tuesday, and this is coming from California, like, yo, there's not a big wait for it. It comes super quick. And guys, so thank you so much for hanging out with me. Go get you some Tula. If you want to try it out, go get the Discovery kit. I understand you don't always want to go get big sizes of things, commit to it when you're not sure if you're gonna like it. Go get the Discovery kit, and depending on what sales they have, you may get discounts or free gifts. Like I got that free sugar scrub. And also, guys, I have a referral code below for you guys to save some money. So use that referral code. It will save you some money, guys. And also, guys, go follow me on Instagram. This is where you get a preview of everything that I'm going to be doing. If I'm posting a video, you don't want to miss one. Make sure that you subscribe, guys. But anyway, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. This was my facial routine, and I hope you guys have a great day.